Moving forward towards the method number 4, that is by using a sum map and a lambda function. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use a sum map and a lambda function. So what we're doing over here is we have set a function lambda over here and an if condition and our iterable. So what we're doing is we have a certain condition that if the x tends to be a, then we are setting the value tends to be +1, and else we are setting the value to be the 0. And what the sum is gonna do is it's going to take all of the value of an x and it's going to increment the value of the x whenever the a tends to pop up into our string, and after that we are storing that value into the x and we have them as an output.